Hello friends. If your Windows performance has become slow, and, of course we would never want our Windows to be slow. A major reason for this is that Windows applications become outdated. And this could also be one of the reasons why Windows is slow. For this, I will tell you an easy way. You have to type cmd in the search and run it as administrator. If it asks for permission, you have to click yes. Now here you have to write Winget update. After writing this, you have to press enter. After entering, you will wait here for a few seconds. It will then give you a list of applications that are outdated. As you can see in my computer, the list of applications is outdated. Now, here you have to write a command again. And that command is winget update all. After typing this command, you have to press enter. Here you don't need to open any outdated application. You have to type Y here and press enter. Here, it will now automatically start updating your Windows applications. As you can see, the applications have started updating. Each application will be downloaded and installed here. After updating the first application, it has started downloading the second application. The fun part is that you don't need to open any application. This command will automatically update these applications. In my case, 12 applications are outdated. And this is the 6th application that is being updated. And where necessary, it will uninstall the first application and install the updated version of the application. And all these 12 applications have been updated. This helps improve performance, security, stability, and bug fixes. Now here you have to close cmd. And now, you have to restart your Windows here. Before that, let me also tell you that if you don't want to update all the applications, and want to update only specific application, suppose you want to update Google Chrome. Then you will write a separate command, winget upgrade google.chrome. Now only Google Chrome will be updated, no other applications will be updated. And you will notice a clear difference after Windows restarts. So if you liked this method, then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.